Well, this is the beginning of a next project, catching us at the very beginning. Actually, I didn't film the planning process and process of actually doing the layout. I'll do a video of that later. So we're gonna have 80 tons craned up to a roof here, right up here, 24 feet up in the air, 30 feet up in the air. And this is what we're bringing on. These are going to be the base for our 20-ton LG multi-V city systems, and we're packing these up by hand right now. Need the good exercise in the morning. Get your day started. All right, guys. See you in a little bit. This is the start of a long process where you almost could say this is a one-man show, because it's my son who does like 80% of all the work. And I got to give him credit because he is the backbone and he is actually the brains too when it comes to the software programming and the computer interface and the hardware software interface. It's my son who I just move out of his way and let him do it.